Hello everyone, this is Sumit and welcome to Educare Training Academy. In this particular video, I am going to give you a small introduction about the Educare Training Academy, and there will be few points I am going to cover in this particular small video. And what are the points, sir? The point will be point number 1, what about the Educare Academy, and the second point will be that how and what are the courses Educare Academy will provide you. And the third point is that, which is very important for the students, कि how the Educare will help or assist to get the job to the fresher as well as experienced professional in the oil and gas industry. How the Educare will help us to get the job. Correct? And I will show you in this particular small video some testimonials and some feedback from the students and who has already done trainings from the Educare Academy. Let's not waste any time, let's start. So now let's talk about what about the Educare Academy. Educare Academy established in 2017, and Educare Academy provide courses which is just completely job oriented courses. Okay, and these courses has not only theoretical and practical knowledge, that is just common thing. But the major feature of the Educare Academy is that Educare Academy will give you the skills and knowledge and how the job is executed on the field. You will be that kind of person if you will trained by the Educare Academy through any particular courses what we are going to provide you. Okay, which is very important, because if you know how the job is executed on the field, then you will not stuck in any kind of interview. And many courses we are providing just based on the vacancies and position which is just coming from all reputed organization like SLB, like Baker Hughes, Halliburton, Al Mansouri. Number of private reputed organization is there. A number of webinar and workshop Educare has been conducted, and approx 1,000 students across the globe entertained by the Educare and help to get the reputed position in number of organizations. And you will see, if I'm talking about Educare successfully help approx 200 plus freshers approx placed through the Educare Academy in oil and gas industry. Now let's talk about some few more points. So now let's talk about the mission of Educare Academy. Educare Academy mission is completely straightforward. We are giving such knowledge to the students which is helping out directly to find out the job, directly to crack the interview. And Educare Academy assists to the students in number of terms, like we will collect resume from all the students of Educare, we will screen out all the resume, we will see if there is any correction required, and we will send these resume in number of companies. And we will also give some updates in your WhatsApp group. Okay, this vacancy is coming from this organization and you can apply there. Okay, and when you will apply, so definitely you will get the call because you have already trained in that particular domain where you have already applied in the organization. Okay, and when you will sit for the interview, definitely you will crack because you already trained from the Educare professionals, Educare like industrial professionals directly. And what are the questions which is going to ask in the interview, you will definitely able to give the answer because you already trained approx 10 to 15 days in the same particular domain, and you know very well, I'm repeating again, our courses is completely job oriented. So definitely in single minutes of our courses will help you out in your interview as well as in your field job. Okay, so suppose you join any particular course of Educare Academy, और recently अगर मैं देखूँ तो जो MWD है, so these are the most like trending course nowadays because in number of companies these vacancies is coming out. Okay, और number of vacancy यहाँ पे निकली हुई है, और मेरा point इतना सा है, my point is that if you will train in these particular one course MWD, so definitely जब तुम्हारी इतनी vacancy MWD की निकल के आ रखी है, if you will searching out in LinkedIn, if you will find out in Halliburton website, Baker Hughes website, Slumberger website, so definitely you will see that every week or every 10 to 15 days one MWD job is there. Okay? But you have to apply there. ओके, एंड समटाइम्स यू विल नॉट एबल टू नो कि सर यहाँ पे वैकेंसी निकली थी क्या। तो वही कमी एडुकेव एकेडमी पूरी करेगा। हाउ? वी विल हैव ए व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ऑफ ऑल एलुमनाई ऑफ एडुकेव एकेडमी, और सभी एलुमनाई विल गिव यू ऑल द अपडेट्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, और यू विल ऑल्सो एडेड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। तो तुमको सारे अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे, और जैसे ही कोई अपडेट्स आएगा यू विल अप्लाई देयर, एंड वी विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू हाउ टू गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब in any terms. Getting? Okay, so my point is that ki you will be touch with us, and we will give you all updates of the job, and we will also help you out to get that particular job. Okay, and we will also send your resume ourselves in different organization, or we will also try to coordinate of different organization to give the placement of the educator. Okay, so what are the courses Educave Academy will provide you? So these are the list you can see, and there is some courses also like that, which is very most trending course. Most trending so course means what? There will be some courses where is number of vacancies is coming out nowadays. If you will open, as I told you, if you will open the website of like big reputed private organization like SLB, like Halliburton, like Baker Hughes, you will see the MWD vacancy generally is coming out. If you will scroll down LinkedIn, if you will find out the job in the website of that particular organization, so you will see this vacancy is generally open every time, and you can apply there. And definitely if your resume is technically strong, if you will know the like any kind of like knowledge, any kind of courses you have done related to this particular domain, so definitely you will get the call, and definitely you will crack the interview, because we will help you out in that particular complete process. Okay, so now you can see these are the courses what we are providing, and MWD, measurement while drilling, logging while drilling, directional drilling, integrated reservoir exploration, drilling fluid engineering, cementing engineering, petroleum production engineering and operations. And we will also have this kind of facility if you want to do any summer and winter internship program. So definitely you can also call us, you can also talk to us. We will also has this facility for you. Okay, so now let's talk about next point, which is very important, and which is that Educave networking. So what about the Educave networking system? Our extensive alumni network extend beyond India as well as international location. So it will help a lot to get the job of the freshers, because we have very strong alumni network, we have very huge alumni network, we have very good ecosystem which will help a lot to get the job for the freshers, so that we will get this particular thing very easily. Okay, now let's see why the students is not able to get job in private sector. There are some reason behind it, and according to me the reason are, first, if I'm talking about your resume, if your resume is not properly, your resume required some corrections, your resume is not technically sound, so definitely your resume is not shortlisted and you are not able to sit in the interview. ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, करेक्ट ना? ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ठीक है। दूसरा प्रॉब्लम, सर व्हाट कैन बी द सेकंड problem if you are not able to get a job? The second problem can be you are not aware what are the about you can say vacancy, है ना? आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वैकेंसी निकली कहाँ है. You are not aware and in which companies the vacancy is there. Okay, तो ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. दूसरा, second will be your what? Second will be your interview. So for interview, if you know where the vacancy has been released and you are applied, your resume is shortlisted, but the problem will be your interview because you are not properly technically sound, your knowledge is not enough to crack that particular interview. तो these are the common three problems which इसकी वजह से तुम्हारा एक तरीके से जॉब लगना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा है. करेक्ट. अगर हम लोग एडुकेव के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो मेरा पहला प्रॉब्लम सोल्व हो रहा है क्या? यस, आई विल सोल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. वो मेरा एक रिज्यूमे शॉर्ट लिस्ट करके, इनफैक्ट जो भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनका रिज्यूमे आई विल कलेक्ट ऑल द रिज्यूमे एंड मैं उनको स्क्रीनिंग करके उनको प्रॉपरली रिज्यूमे में करेक्शन करके बताऊंगा और उनका रिज्यूमे एक प्रॉपर तरीके से बनवाऊंगा. करेक्ट. तो रिज्यूमे मेकिंग एक असिस्टेंट भी तुमको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. तो एक प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारे यहाँ पे सोल्व हो जाती है. करेक्ट। द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम विल बी दैट वी हैव एक एलुमनाई इकोसिस्टम। जो मेरा एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, जो भी मेरे अब तक के सारे एलुमनाई हैं या मेरी एडुक्यू की टीम है, वो सारे के सारे अपडेट्स इस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपडेट करते हैं। व्हाट आर द अपडेट्स ऑफ द वैकेंसीज। सर एक्स कंपनी में नंबर ऑफ 5 वैकेंसीज हैज बीन रिलीज, वो तुमको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी। सारी वैकेंसी अपडेट्स तुमको एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर, और वो यानी कि ये प्रॉब्लम भी मेरा यहाँ से सोल्व हो रहा है। एडुक्यू ज्वाइन करने के बाद रिज्यूमे और अवेयर अबाउट द वैकेंसीज का प्रॉब्लम मेरा सोल्व हो रहा है। एंड डोंट गेट डाउट अबाउट द एलुमनाई ऑफ एडुक्यू एकेडमी, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा है और तुमको सबसे पहले अपडेट्स वहाँ पे मिल जाता है, करेक्ट। एंड देन व्हाट अबाउट द इंटरव्यू सर। सर आई नो अबाउट द वैकेंसी, माई रिज्यूमे इज ऑल्सो शॉर्ट लिस्टेड बिकॉज एडुक्यू ने मेरा रिज्यूमे काफ़ी अच्छा कर दिया है और नाउ आई हैव सेलेक्टेड इन द इंटरव्यू। तो सर इंटरव्यू में यू विल ऑल्सो गेट लाइक जॉब बिकॉज यू विल डू बेटर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन ए ट्रेनिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कोर्स इन विच डोमेन यू आर सिटिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू। जिस जॉब के लिए तुम इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो उसका तुमने ऑलरेडी कोर्स किया हुआ है, तो यू नो बेटर देन अदर्स ऑलरेडी एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस यू विल आस्क इन द इंटरव्यू दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो बिकॉज यू हैव डन अप्रोक्स 10 to 15 days ट्रेनिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डोमेन। तो इसमें तुमको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होने वाला है, उसमें रेफरेंस भी लग सकता है, उसमें नॉलेज भी लग सकती है तुम्हारी, करेक्ट, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली यही जो फैक्टर थे तीनों जो ना लगवाने के, वही तुम्हारे एडुक्यू के साथ कनेक्ट होने से एक फुलफिल हो रहे हैं। तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन से एडुक्यू विल हेल्प यू, एडुक्यू विल असिस्ट यू टू गेट द जॉब। एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट मैं तुमको बताने जा रहा हूँ आज, जो मुझे बाद में फील हुआ है, जो मैंने महसूस किया है ये चीज़ कि सर एडुक्यू विल नॉट गिव यू एनी काइंड ऑफ लेबर जॉब, एडुक्यू विल गिव यू ए इंजीनियर जॉब। Educare will not give you any kind of restaurant job. Educare will give you a proper technical job and the package is very good. And if I'm talking about the contact number, these are the contact number of Educare Academy and WhatsApp number also you will see. I have mentioned the WhatsApp number, and whatever the doubt you are having, you can also coordinate with us, what you can ask with us, and we will also solve your doubt. You can WhatsApp us, you can mail us, you can visit website, you can call us, and these are the social media platform. You can join us. In fact, you just join the LinkedIn. That is very important. Some free content, some free information we generally update in that particular social media, so that you will be aware what the things is going on in the oil industry. Okay, getting now. And now let's see what are the testimonials of, or you can say the feedback of Educare students. I am screen out these feedback in this particular videos. You just see, and you can also find these particular testimonial in this particular website. Number of testimonials. It will be very difficult to show you all the testimonial in this particular in sort of introduction video. Okay, so you just visit in the website. You can read out all the testimonials और तुम वहाँ पे फीडबैक हमारे देख सकते हैं, और मैं स्क्रीन पे भी एक बार के लिए प्ले कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे होंगे, आपके टेस्टिमोनियल फ्लोट हो रहे होंगे, आपके टेस्टिमोनियल स्क्रीन आउट चल रहे होंगे। तो दीज आर द लाइक बेस्ट फीडबैक ऑफ आवर एलुमनाई और ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, सो नाउ आई विल, if you feel any kind of query, any kind of like questions you are having, you can ask with us, and join our LinkedIn especially and Facebook and YouTube also. You will get all the like testimonials in terms of video. यहाँ पे YouTube पे मैंने वीडियो के फॉर्म में भी टेस्टिमोनियल फीडबैक बच्चों से लिए हैं, जो कि तुम उसको भी देख सकते हो, और LinkedIn पे काफ़ी अपडेट्स हम लोग अपडेट करते रहते हैं, उससे ज्वाइन करके यू विल गेट मोर बेनिफिट। ठीक है, और वट एवर द डाउट यू आर हैविंग, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए नाइस डे।